Welcome back guys, we're back again with another Minecraft tutorial. This time we're going to be going over how to download Minecraft to your PC so you can get started, get playing, and then get yourself a server, join up with your friends and get building. I'm going to show one of two ways now to actually download it. The first one is going on to Minecraft.net. From here you can download any of the versions from Java to Bedrock. You can even download the mobile one or buy it from here. First things first, let's go ahead and click on Minecraft. Not only this, we'll be going through the system requirements as well for both Java and Bedrock. And also they've got a very neat feature here which they've added, which is the compare platforms feature. Using this you can tell by what device you're going to use, whether it be mobile, desktop, modern console, and they have got the other devices here. You can just scroll along on the bottom or download it as a PDF and read the whole document, and it will tell you whether it's cross-play with other devices, what other devices will work with it, whether you've got Minecraft Marketplace, whether you can host realms, host your own servers, whether it's got ray tracing and all of that good stuff. So if you want to double check that, I do suggest just having a look at the site, seeing what sort of console you're going to be playing it on. Of course this time we're going to be checking on the PC, and the desktop does come with many features. The only one of course is split screen. As PC users know, it's not usually a typically two-player game, and here it will tell you the differences between the Java and Linux edition or the Windows 10. So next, before we actually go and download it, we're going to scroll down a little bit more and we're going to look at the Java edition system requirements. Now here they have got a full page listing all the requirements that you need. I'm not going to go specifically from it. If you want to pause the page and just check, and then you can check against your own computer. If you're unsure of your own PC's information, you can always come to your search bar. If you're on a Windows 10 computer, you can go on to system information. It will tell you all the information there of your PC. As you can see, it also has minimum requirements for the amount of RAM, which says 4, although recommended is 8. So recommended is for better gameplay. Obviously 4 is the absolute minimum, so you're not going to get the best out of the game. An important one to note here, that internet connectivity is required for downloading Minecraft files. Afterwards, offline play is possible. So initially you will need the internet to download a lot of this stuff, and then once it's downloaded you can go ahead and play on your single player worlds. And before we move on, just to make sure that you have at least Java 8 and make sure that your Java is actually updated. You might be running an older version which won't work with Minecraft, as they say. Starting from Minecraft 1.12, Java 8 will be required to run Minecraft. But luckily for your Java edition, the installers supply Minecraft with its own version of Java by default. So let's head down to Minecraft for Windows 10 now and check out the system requirements. As you can see here, we need the Windows 10 version, or this version or higher, or the Xbox One. And again, to check any of this, to check what your graphics card is, you can again just go search here and go to system information. They'll tell you all the information you need to know. So we had enough of the system requirements. Now what do we do to actually download the game? So for this we're going to head to computer. Of course, if you are using another device, you can go to the other device and then you choose what you prefer, so whether it be PC, Mac or Linux. We're going to go with PC here, and you're going to be given two different options. So you've got the Java edition and you've got the Windows 10 edition. Popping up on the screen now would just be a Java versus Bedrock, just so you can get a good knowledge of the different factors of each game. They are quintessentially the same game, but they just have varying features. Obviously Java is more tailored for just PC. It can't be played on other devices. It has got the newer edition of Realms, so you can have servers and Realms, and it also supports lots of other stuff like mods and plugins and stuff like that. Windows 10 is a bit more tailored to compatibility with other devices, so you can play with your Windows 10 account with anybody on Xbox, mobile, PlayStation. And so I suggest having a bit of research first just to see what will work well for you, maybe what your friends are playing with as well. So for Java edition, you're just going to click on the Java edition. Of course, you can check the information. Of course, you would have already checked the system requirements. You can go ahead and buy Minecraft. It will then give you the file to download, and then you can go open the file and just follow the process and it will install the game. For the Java edition, you're going to download the Minecraft launcher. From here you can actually start playing your single player worlds or online servers. You may need to set up a Minecraft account at this point. If you do, then go ahead and set the Minecraft account up or sign into your existing one, and then you can go to installations, and this will be how you can start your version of the game that you want to play. So let's say you want to do the latest version. We're going to go latest release 1.16.5. You can name it here and then go to create. Now if you go ahead and play on this, you can play 1.16.5 single player worlds, or you can now connect to multiplayer worlds using the 1.16.5 version. Of course, if you want older versions, you can go ahead in the same way, add installation, and they've got all of them here. So now let's say you want to download Bedrock Edition. Let's go ahead to computer again from the same area. We're going to go to PC, and you can go ahead to Minecraft Windows Edition. You've got a choice here whether you want the starter collection or the master collection. Go ahead and buy the package that you want. Again, it will download the file of Minecraft, you'll open it up and then it will launch and just go ahead with the installation process. Once installed, Minecraft's going to open up and then you're going to be asked to either sign in or log in. You might have to create an account if you haven't got one already, and you'll be able to sign in by the bottom left button right here if you're not signed in. Bedrock version is a little bit different because it will always put you and update you to the most current version, whereas with Java, the launcher will give you the option so you can go all the way to the oldest version or have the newest version or the snapshots. Of course, if you're not online, you're only going to get the worlds, but if you are online, you can get realms as well. You can also go over and add servers, much like you can on Java too. Now, if you're on Windows 10, you do of course have another option, which is heading to your Microsoft Store and searching up Minecraft. You won't be able to get the Java edition this way, but you are able to get the Windows 10 edition. You can come over and get the starter pack. You can purchase the game and then install it here by installing on my devices. Much in the same way, it will go through the installation process and then you can go ahead and play. So thanks for watching, guys. For any more tutorials like this on Minecraft related stuff, don't forget to check out the SeekaHost knowledge base and of course leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And once you've got yourself on Minecraft, don't forget to check out the SeekaHost Minecraft server packages. You can get yourself a Bedrock package, a Java package and many other Java variations. Start up your own community and start playing with your friends online. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you again next time on the next tutorial. Bye bye.